Let's now talk about a battle that women fight every day. A battle that they should not be fighting in the first place. The battle to stay safe, to step out and not be attacked, to go to their place of work and not be assaulted, to come back home safe and sound. A battle that we as women have been forced to fight. By now, you would be aware of the brutal barbarism that a resident doctor in India's Kolkata had to go through. Her parents' worst nightmare came to life. Their daughter's life was horribly cut short. The parents of the trainee doctor have said that they were initially told by a hospital official that their daughter died by suicide, and that they were made to wait outside the hospital for 3 hours before they could see her body. Can you imagine what they went through? A doctor being raped and murdered inside a government-run hospital. It's a story that has outraged the country. Doctors have been out on the streets demanding justice, demanding better working conditions. Resident doctors of the AIIMS and the Federation of All India Medical Associations have in fact decided to continue their protest until a complete Protection Act is implemented. But again, why should things even reach this point? This is the 21st century. It is heartbreaking and appalling to have a woman go through such brutality, and in a shocking development at a time when the country is already enraged over the rape and murder. The Silchar Medical College and Hospital in Assam issued a controversial advisory, which it withdrew following protests. It faced flack for the advisory to women doctors and other staffers, asking them to avoid going alone to isolated places at night. Yes, let me repeat that. Asking them to avoid going alone to isolated places at night. SMCH's principal cum chief superintendent, Dr. Bhaskar Gupta, had issued that advisory following the recent rape and murder of the trainee doctor at the Kolkata hospital. The advisory was cancelled following protests from students who demanded enhanced security measures in the hospital. Dr. Gupta said, and I'm quoting, "The advisory issued earlier stands cancelled, and a new advisory will be issued soon in this regard," quote unquote. Now, this came following major backlash over the move. Of course, there was anger because this advisory was also being seen as putting the onus on women doctors, making women double victims in a way. First, women have to already live under the constant threat of being attacked or violated. Second, they have to face such prejudice. Also, are women not safe anywhere? The 31-year-old trainee doctor's rape and murder has sent shock waves across the country. The case has now been handed over to the CBI. This happened 5 days before the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee's deadline to the police, by the way. So way before that deadline was to expire, the Calcutta High Court ordered that the case be transferred to the CBI. In fact, a team of the CBI has arrived in Kolkata to investigate the rape and murder of the trainee doctor. Let me just tell you what the High Court said. The bench, led by the Chief Justice, noted that there has been no significant progress in the investigation so far. The court came down heavily on the hospital administration. It noted serious lapses and also said that it is disheartening that the principal was not proactive. The resignation of the former principal and the subsequent reinstatement only added to the people's outrage, by the way. Yes, a reinstatement as principal of another medical college following what happened. The court questioned what it called the tearing urgency in giving Dr. Ghosh a new role. Dr. Ghosh has been asked to go on leave immediately, and the court has said he will not be permitted to hold the post of principal of National Medical College and Hospital, Calcutta, until further directions. This brutal crime took place at a hospital. That in itself is deeply disturbing. Imagine such horrendous brutality inflicted on someone who is working to heal people. Doctors are saviors. They work day and night to save people's lives, to heal people, to end people's misery. Is there no safe place for women anymore? They are not safe at their workplace. They are not safe in a hospital. They are not safe in public spaces. They are not safe at home. It is appalling and heartbreaking to even be asking these questions repeatedly. But we will not give up. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.